The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
On a man too disgusting. So this man coming at my DM, I come tell me about him want to carry my pan date. So I say, want to my boy, so I say, yeah, give me some of your money. Give me some of your money. Him I come tell me about, him now, if him have to give me money for go pan date. I say, dog, no, one of that I say. But just want to know if a money you go run. Because I know say after dating, a pussy you are look forward to get. What a man feel like? Come to my understanding, girl at Jamaica sell pussy for all 30-something thousand. Let me tell you now, that they in American money. A 300 US that. And a 2 fuck, 3 fuck or 4 fuck them I get a 1 fuck for 30-something thousand $. 300 US girl sell pussy. And then when me I defend my money, you want come tell me about, oh, no? Dog, me not care if you feel like I sell pussy. Yes, me I sell pussy. Car insurance want pay. Car note want pay. Bill want pay. You not feel like soap there if you wash my pussy? You not feel like I need to get soap to wash my pussy? And the soap them when me buy not cheap. Them expensive. A $5 something for one soap when me use and bathe my skin with. And no joke thing. Oh, me no want a man come see me and feel like say so love me. Me pay my bills them by myself and what me need to do for me and my baby. But if you come round me and you not feel the need for run some blood clot money upon me, avoid me and my pussy. Yes, I sell it. Leave me alone.
Viewers and subscribers, there's only one point me I go say about this video, you see me? At least this female is honest. You see what I'm saying to you? At least she tell it like it is. I mean, me know a lot of persons on social media, you know, might see this video and say, listen, X, Y, and Z and shit this or what. Alright, that's your opinion. You see what I'm saying to you? But my opinion towards this is that at least this female is honest. You see me? You see me? And the reason why I believe in the honesty part is because if somebody tell you what it is or like it is or how it is and you decide to stay, then it's your choice to stay. You get what I'm saying to you? You should think for yourself, and if you want to stay, you stay. You see me? So if this female tell you like it is and you stay, anything at all at me, have nobody to blame but yourself. You get what I'm saying to you? Whether what had happened to be good or bad, you have nobody to blame but yourself. Alright? So, in my point of view towards something like this, at least she is honest. You see what I'm saying to you? And I respect that. You see me? Yeah. So, I just saw me look at it. You see me? But let me know what you think about what this person has said in the video, viewers and subscribers, as this video is out on social media and things have been said about this video. You know what I mean? I mean, really and truly, in a situation or a video like this where somebody talk about something like this, you know, if persons have an experience with these kind of conversations, you know the kind of things that are going to be said about something like this. You see me? So anyways, let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers, and this is where me leave it, you know. You don't know me Dancehall skill, I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see?